Video 8, family law and real estate at the glass table. So we've talked previously on prenuptial contracts and marriage contracts, and so we come full circle now with a separation agreement. What is a separation agreement?
Okay, so a separation agreement is exactly what it means. When you separate and you want to deal with things in an agreement. So what happens with separation agreements when you already have a prenup and when you already have a marriage contract? What happens? Well, a lot of the times people change their minds because they hate each other at that point, or they're not willing to stay focused on what was previously agreed upon. So a separation agreement is different in the sense that it can deal with the matrimonial home and all aspects of the matrimonial home. We can deal with how the money is divided, if the property is going to be listed up for sale. You definitely do need spousal consent when you are dealing with a matrimonial home, because obviously spouses carry the same equal rights in a matrimonial home. So that's really important to think about when you're talking about separation agreements. If you're talking about occupancy rights, we can also deal with that in a separation agreement. The agreement can stipulate whether one spouse is going to occupy the home while the other's interest in the property is bought out and moves out, or whether or not the property is going to be listed for sale and the proceeds are going to be divided equally. It really depends, but a separation agreement can deal with those issues.
That's very interesting, guys. So this is one of the three contracts, the main one here, the separation agreement, that does have the ability of dealing with a matrimonial home and more specifically the occupancy rights as well as spousal consent. If you have negotiated a separation agreement dealing with those two things, then you don't need those provisions. You don't need the consents anymore because it prevails. Ricky Rathore here again, broker owner at Remax Empire, real estate lawyer at Rathore Baig Professional Corporation.
Nandishi, Bekah, owner and principal lawyer of Bekah Professional Corporation.
We'll see you guys again next time. Bye.